Ayos, oh. Solid. Sa next song na to, kakanta ako ng original. Okay lang ba yan? Itong next song, nirelease ko to noong 2020. Sana alam niyo lahat. Sino yung gusto sumayaw sa ulap
He's
dito?
going to sing his own song.
Okay. Kung wala ka pang kasayaw, pwede naman ako na lang, di ba? The song's called Ulap!
Hold on. 1 minute, let me just do this and then we're gonna go to the